Christmas is in 2 months, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree cake iced latte. Let's get into it, shall we? Grab the glass that you're using and swirl some caramel around the entire inside of the cup. You can use any brand caramel sauce that you want, but I bet homemade would be amazing. One of these days I'm going to have to make it for myself. After you're done with the caramel syrup, you're going to want to pump 4 pumps of wedding cake syrup into your glass. This syrup really brings out the cake flavor. If you don't have the wedding cake flavor, you can always substitute for birthday cake syrup. That works as well. Now grab you some Starbucks instant dark roast coffee. You can make this as strong or as weak as you want, but I'm putting 2 tablespoons into a glass of 2 ounces of water. Give your coffee a good frothing with a frother. It's going to be bold and creamy and taste just like out of a coffee shop. Now add you 1 cup of ice to your cup. Then we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk. You can use any milk that you want. You can use almond milk, 1%, skim or fat-free, it don't matter. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the birthday cake creamer as well. Now I'm going to pour in my coffee into the cup. Using the same cup we had earlier, we're going to put half a cup of the Christmas Tree Cakes coffee creamer by Little Debbie. Now this somewhat tastes like it, but we're going to add extra stuff. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now we're adding 1 to 2 pumps of the Skinny Mix vanilla bean syrup. Then get your frother again. We're going to froth this up nice and creamy. It's going to look foamy. Trust me, it tastes delicious. This is a lot better than the regular cold foam you could buy in a can at Walmart. Pour this directly into your glass. See how creamy it is? This is completely optional, but grab you some Christmas sprinkles. We're only going to put a little bit of each on the top. You don't want to taste just sprinkles when you drink this. This will sort of give it that festive look. You can use as little or as much as you want. I find the sugar crystals are better than the sprinkles. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make a Christmas tree cake iced latte. Make sure to like, share, and repost this video, and don't forget to follow me for more coffee recipes.